To group students in team projects with our CS with VR courses, you'll want to go ahead and follow these steps. First, you'll want to click on the section that you are grouping your students in. Next, if you're not already brought there, you'll want to toggle to the level that you are using the group project with. I'm going to go ahead and head to level 1. Now, in our gradebook, it's very easy for us to know which one's a team project. Right here, we have 2 little people, and if you hover over it, it just reminds you that this is a team project. You'll be able to click here and be automatically brought to DelightText, where you'll be able to start grouping your students. Once you're here, you'll want to make sure that you start by clicking Edit Groups, and then you'll be able to just drag and drop your groups. You can set your students in groups of 2, groups of 3, even groups of 4, or if you'd like, you can have students work individually as well. It's completely up to you. Once you are satisfied with your groups, you'll be able to click Save Changes, and those groups will now appear and students will be able to get started on working on their team project. If a student has not been placed in a group, they will receive a screen like this when they try to access their team project. If this happens, you'll just want to go back and follow the previous steps to make sure that you've added this student to a group. Happy coding!